students, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Miss Farah. I am from Forces School. Today we start the lecture of nursery class. Now we start the alphabet song A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, today our lecture is the name is vowels. Today our lecture name is vowels. How many vowels? You know about this? You know how many vowels? There are 5 vowels. There are 5 vowels like my 5 fingers. Like my 5 fingers. Okay. My 5 fingers. Then these names are A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Now learn with me. Repeat it. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, let's again we repeat this. A, E, I, O, U. Repeat with me. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, now we write the vowels. Now we write the vowel's name and you repeat with me, okay? First vowel name is A. First vowel name is A. And the second is E. I. O. U. Now we start these sounds. A, E, I, O, U, A for apple, apple. E for egg, egg. I for ink. O for orange, orange. U for umbrella, umbrella. Again we repeat the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. You repeat with me.